guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable new UI refresh for the Google Chrome browser for your Windows PC. So the Google Chrome browser rolling out its new update. So first we need to update the browser. To update it guys, just click on three dots option, go to help and go to about Google Chrome. Okay, so from here you can easily able to update the Google Chrome browser. After updating, in the URL box you need to search Chrome // flags and hit enter. Okay, after this guys, here in the search flags you need to search Chrome refresh 2023. As you can see guys, just you need to enable this option from here and just click on relaunch. It will close the browser and open it automatically. After the browser was relaunched, in the toolbar menu in your tab section, as you can see that you can get your new UI refresh design. So this is the only feature you will get after updating, after enabling your flag. Okay, so that's it all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.